So we have our sockets and all the basic tools here. The first thing we'll do, as we mentioned earlier, was we're gonna take the fender out. There's not that many bolts that hold that, so I'll let you do that.
Okay.
And I'll take one side. We have the same sockets, same millimeters, same everything. So what we'll do first is take the hood out and headlights. So that's a pretty easy task. Alright, so everything is off the silver car. We managed to get everything back on this car. And it started looking like one whole car. So on this car, it's a lot more easy to source all the spot welds than something that's been fucking sideswiped, or I don't know how he crashed. To me, it looks like he snapped oversteer in the front end, completely touched the sidewalls. But other than that, we're just testing out the fitment. If anything needs to be pulled out, this would be the great time to do it. Just to show you there's not a whole lot of effort you got to split these with. And it's free without using a hammer. It's very lightweight. That's this side. So the next thing is removal of this radiator. rat support exposed. So now what's left over to do is find the spot welds that hold this front rat support out. It's not a whole lot of spot welds, but I've noticed that this one, it's a little different than the newer chassis here. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, and then there should be the same amount behind this plate. So I'm gonna start off with this side. There's not much I gotta do. There's more over here. 1, 2, 3. From there, once those things are broken loose, the whole support comes right out. So that's how you take the rat support off of these things. It's pretty easy, and their spot welds like there. So I'm aware there's broken bolts there. So what I'll do is take this to the shop where I work at, and I'll work on taking these out, extracting them with heat. So also gotta put spot welds back on this little hook. It goes over here, like so, over here as well. But it's gone, so I gotta fix that. So I'm just stuck to all this. It's coming apart nicely with ease, and without doing some serious destruction. So it's coming out little by little. So I'm gonna take that plate out over there, make my hole punches, and start drilling. So we'll see you in a minute. Alright. Rat support is coming out little by little. Now to the passenger side. And onwards with the drilling. Carlos, we got that. Oh shit! Dramatic fucking getting it out. In the meantime, I already did the salvage part that I needed to save, is that rat support. Yeah. Yeah, I didn't want to cut that up because I wanted to save the skip plate too. So, as of today, I made enough room to fit my Tahoe in here and both MR2 spyders. And there's plenty of room to work on 2 cars here. So I'm just pretty stoked. I got some shit done today, and I got my Megans out. But enough said. I'm out of here.